Congratulations to you, Ma'am Eden, and the rest of the team for another milestone, no, of output, no, in MAPE. So we have a minor suggestions, no, for your the improvement of your script and also to the video maker. So kindly talk to her with, of course, Ma'am Daisy. Gamay na lang yung kaayo to nga mga detailed lang to siya nga importante po kaayo nga incorporate so that your total package of your learning resources will be more qualified to kanang yung quality output, no? So, of course, with the team, Sir Judel.
That's all. Ito, congressman. Yeah, thank you for your effort. Kuha na siya, incorporate na siya karon para amo anang tatakan.
Okay. By virtue and authority delegated to me by the Deputy Bubusin Division, again, congratulations, Ma'am Eden, and we will wait for your final script so that we can approve that one, and congratulations once again. Thank you so much.